Hi, this is Jack with Rooter Now again. We're finishing up with the Speedylight UV Cure system through Pipeline Renewals out here doing a demo, and we're very thankful to Nick and to Josh for being here. We want to show you the quality of the liner after it was cured. This is called a Wovo liner here in the United States, and you can see this is dry, and this is how flexible it is. It's nice. It made a beautiful transition from 4 to 6 inch. And we'll show you the 45 that we did, and we'll give you an idea of the quality of it. There's the 45. There's some of the resin in it, but we'll show you a really good transition if you look down inside here now. You can see how uniform it is and how nice the liner is. It's really a remarkable product. The liner on the 6 inch, it made that 4 inch to that 6 inch transition, and you can really get a good picture of the liner and the quality and how uniform it is along the bottom. Again, hats off to Pipeline Renewal and the Speedylight system. Rooter Now, signing off. Have a great day.